Control what camera a user can see.
Here, how to, let's say you have someone you want, like in this case I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cameras, and I want someone to only see camera 1 and 2. So what you do on Hikvision NVR is you go to system setting, you go to user management, then from user management you just add a user. Of course you must confirm the password, so I'll just key in the password, then because of security, so I'm keying in the password. Then once you key in the password, oh sorry, I'm just need, let me just adjust that. So once you key in the password, you click OK. Then now you get this menu. So you create the user. So let me call this user 2, or just user because I don't have a user with that name. So user, then type guest or operator. So I'll select operator in this. I can lock them with the MAC address. If I want them to only use one specific point or PC, but instead I'll come here and create their password. Just create any random password. Then I repeat just that. So I'm just trying to create the password again. So now it matches. Then you see the local settings. That means on the NVR view, what are the local settings? So this is an AccuSense. You can allow them to do local log search, camera management. If you don't want them, local shutdown and reboot, like to restart, you can allow them or deny them the permission. Then remote, that means from the web search things. So you select all the permissions that you want to give them. But my focus is now on channel, where I can select, I want them to live view locally. I don't want them to view all, so I'll check and then just maintain 1, 2. I'll also check remote live view. I disable all of them and just select the ones I want to allow them. Local manual operation. So for all settings, because I want them to only access these 2 channels, I can also disable remote operation, local operation. I can allow them to play back, of course, or I can disable. So if I don't want them to play back, I just disable this, but I can also allow them to play back only that camera. You set the rules. All these other rules, PTZ control, video exporting. So if they can play back, I can also allow them to only play back channel 1 and 2. If it's remote PTZ operation, I can disable them. They cannot remotely operate PTZ or locally. Then I have, so I'll just disable this. We set video export to give them remote playback, only their specific channels 1, 2. Then local playback, we said again that. So once you've done that, save OK. Now you can just sign out, log out. So you see, you can just come here and log out, then log in with a new account. So that is how you allow or restrict a user to access Hikvision NVR or DVR. I'll be sharing more tips on the same so that you are also enlightened. So I'll just go back to live view. And if we log in with that user, they'll only access channel 1 and 2. Thank you.